Once you have been provisioned onto the Now Reach platform, you will receive an SMS that looks similar to this. To download the mobile application, tap on the link. You will be presented with a two-step install and configuration process. Step 1 is to press on the Download button, which will then redirect to your Google Play account. Install the application by tapping on the Install button. Once the application is installed, return to the SMS. It is now time to perform the second step, which is to press on the Configure button. You will be prompted with several permission questions, which you can run through by tapping on the OK button. The first permission request will be to allow or deny access to contacts. Please select your choice, noting if you select Deny, that you will not be able to search your mobile contacts within your Reach application. Then press the OK button again. You will be prompted to allow or deny access to make and manage phone calls. Please select Allow, noting if you select Deny that you will not be able to use the Reach application to make or receive phone calls. The last screen lets you know that at any time you can update your settings from the app settings menu. Press the OK button. You will receive a notice advising that VoIP calls can be enabled in the settings. Tap on the X to close this message. You are now set up and logged into your Reach mobile application. Congratulations!